Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to make this model. Actually this model I have downloaded from the internet, and one of our subscriber asking us to make this model, so that's why I'm going to make this model. So we have the dimension, as you can see here. This is the top view, and this is side view, and this is the first view. And you might be thinking that this model is appearing very complicated, but it is not. It is a very easy drawing, and it is good for those who are practicing, who are just started to learn SolidWorks. And this video might not be useful for those who are expert. So let's start the model. And this is the top view. Let me show you first top view. This is the side view, as you can see, and this is the front view. So I'm going to make this model. I'm going to start this model by this top view. So let me zoom it first so that you can see clearly what is going on in this dimension, in this view. So save all. Okay, now take the new page, and this is SolidWorks 2017 part, and okay, let's hide this by sliding this window from the left. Now we have three planes. Select the sketch and choose the plane, and I am taking this top plane. Let's choose a line to draw first thing, the first shape. Okay, first dimension it. I told many times in my previous video, whenever you start your drawing, whenever you start the model, whenever you start the sketch, assign some dimension at the very initial point, at the very starting point, so that your drawing will not disturb after assigning dimension, because that problems comes many times. So it is 105 mm in length, so I am assigning 105 mm in the length. And sorry, it is the height. Height is 150, so it should be 150 divided by 2, because we are taking half. And again, select smart dimension and choose this top line, top horizontal line, and it is gonna be 105 mm in length. Okay, let me draw a center line just to mirror the this top sketch. We have to draw now an arc which is 75 in radius, so I'm taking the arc, 3-point arc. Select the line and leave it as it is. Now assign dimension the first. Select the arc and assign 75 mm to it. Now the last thing is left is you should apply the tangent constraint in between these two sketches, these two entities, or you can say. So for this I am just pressing the control key and select both these entities. Press control key, select both these sketches, and now there you can see tangent constraint is highlighting in the property box. So select tangent. Now you can see my sketch is fully constrained. Okay, drag it a little bit downward. Now I guess you can see clear. Now you will able to see it clearly. It is fully defined sketch. So the next thing is select the mirror entities. Select the entities you want to mirror. I want to mirror these entities. Now it is asking to you select a line which about which your sketch is going to be mirrored. So click in the box of mirror about, select this construction line. Now you can see your sketch is mirrored, and there is a problem in this drawing is it is showing item conflict. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to delete one of these dimensions so that it can came to fully defined. Now it is okay in my opinion. My sketch is fully defined. As you can see here, this colored area is showing that your sketch is not open from somewhere. So exit the sketch, and the thickness is about 10 mm here. As you can see here in the side view, the thickness is 10 mm. So I'm going to select the feature box, feature command, and assign 10 mm here and choose OK. Okay, now there is a cylinder of 70 diameter over it, and which is about 40 mm in height from this base surface. So for this I am creating a new plane. You can create a plane by just clicking the reference geometry, and now it is asking the first reference. This is the first reference. Now feed the distance should be 40. Now I'm using this newly created plane in the drawing, and as you can see here at the top of this at the side view, this entire section is 70 mm in diameter. So for this I'm taking circle to make a 70 mm diameter section, and I'm taking the center of this point. Let me take this track line is showing you are at the center of the drawing. Draw a 70 mm circle here and assign some dimension. It is 70 mm. Okay, it is again 105 mm in distance. It is horizontally 105 mm in distance. Select this point and the center point of the circle and assign 105 here. Now I want to bring the circle at the exact center of this portion. So for this again I'm going to apply some constraint here by pressing the control key. Select the circle, select this outer edge, and now there we have a tangent. Sorry, not tangent, it should be concentric. So select concentric here. Again item is conflicting. I don't know what is happening here. Okay, let's delete this. Okay, exit the sketcher and now extrude it up by selecting extrude command. Reverse the direction and choose up to next and choose OK. Okay, let's hide the plane first by just right clicking and click over this eye like option. Okay, the next thing is there's a fillet of 15 radius. There's a fillet of 15 in the outer edge and at the top, at the end, at the bottom. For this I'm selecting fillet and I'm taking this first fillet and assign dimension, assign 15 mm for this. Select this edge and select this edge and choose apply and OK. It's time to draw this section. Then after drawing this section I will mirror it and then I will choose extrude cut to cut this section and make like that, as you can see here. So for this is a top view and I'm selecting not extrude, select the sketch, select this top face and normal it. Now draw a circle of 65 radius from here. I'm taking the center point. Don't need to give the dimension right now. It is 65 mm in diameter, so I am assigning here 65 and 65 plus 65 and enter. It is 150. Let's draw a center line here just to mirror your entities. It will help you, and if you are comfortable without it then it is okay for me. Trim this excessive portion. Okay, select the line, select this line and draw a sketch over here, as you can see in the drawings, and let's trim the excessive portion first. Okay, and there is also a circle of 65 here. For this I am taking again a circle and take the center point and draw a circle of 65 mm. Sorry, it is 15 mm radius, so the diameter is 30. Assign some dimension to it and make it constrained by applying 30 mm in diameter. Okay, there is a fillet of radius 10 here. It is saying that there is a fillet of 10 radius all around of these. Select fillet and choose feed 10 here and select this point. Sorry, first trim the excessive portion of the circle. Okay, Control Z, select trim again, trim this portion. Now it is a completely closed area, and select fillet command, and the parameter should be 10, and select these 2 points, choose apply and cancel. Okay, trim again the excessive part, the inner part should be trimmed properly, and okay. Now there is a distance of 10 mm from the center point, because it is 20 mm in diameter, sorry, it is 10 mm in thickness, so I am selecting dimension. Select this point and this line, it should be 5 here from this side, and 5 should be horizontal side. Okay, now you can see my sketch is fully constrained. Now it's time to choose mirror command to mirror this portion from the from top to bottom. So it is asking to you entities to mirror. So these are the entities which I'm going to mirror, which I'm gonna mirror from the bottom, and mirror about this line and choose OK. Now trim the excessive portion again, as I told you. Or what if I make all these 4 part at once? So how it could be? Let me see here. Okay, let's make these 4 slots at the once. Select the line command and take the dimension and take the direction of this point. It should be collinear with this line, and draw it. Okay, trim again the excessive portions. Now there's a circle here, so for this I am taking 3-point arc. It is 30 mm in radius, so you can also apply a 30 mm fillet here to make it completely round. Okay, let's not take the fillet. Choose 3-point arc from here. Trim again the excessive portion. Now apply the dimension by selecting dimension command. It should be 5. Okay, it is not taking. This point from this point, it is 5, so it is not taking, so let's not do it. Select this line and this center point and assign 5 here. Okay, it is 65 mm in distance, so select this center point and select this center point and assign 65 here. Now the last thing is this sketch should be tangent. So for this I am again pressing the control key and selecting both these lines. Okay, again select these lines carefully, select tangent. Okay, select these two line and apply tangent here also. Now it's time to apply height distance is 10 mm, so I'm taking 10 mm and select these two line, and it is 10 mm in length. Okay, all my sketch is almost constrained. Now there is also fillet here of radius 10, so for this I'm taking radius 10 fillet here. Choose this point and okay, my sketch is almost completed. Now the last thing is choose mirror command, mirror the sketch and mirror about this horizontal line, construction line. And now trim the excessive portion. This is the excessive portion. Okay, this is also excessive portion. It is also excessive portion. It is also excessive portion. Now you can see we have four complete sketches. Select exit, select feature here, and now there you have extruded cut feature. Choose through all and select OK. Now we have this area. Okay, let's make our another section, which is going to be this section. As you can see here, this is the section which I'm going to create here to make that area, as you can see here. So let me draw this first. I hope you are understanding what I am doing here. Select the sketch, choose the plane. Let me choose, I think it is the front plane. Okay, let's draw this section. For this I am taking a line here. Okay, let's choose line from here, draw a line here. Can we offset this? What you think? Can we offset this? Let me take the offset first. In reverse direction. So select offset entities here and choose this reverse button to offset this sketch, and select this also and select this also and apply OK. Now draw the line. Let me draw a line here. Okay, like this. Choose trim command to trim the excessive part of the drawing. This is the excessive part, and I guess it is also excessive part. Okay, choose trim command. Let me see, it is about, I think, 10 mm distance apart. It is 35 mm, it is 10 mm. Let me see how much far it is. Okay, the inner circle dimension is 20 mm, so I am taking 10 mm from the center. Now as you can see, my sketch is fully constrained, and the another thing is I am going to place a center line here so that it can take automatically the center line about which this sketch is going to be revolved. So exit the sketcher workbench. Now there we have in feature command revolve cut. Now see, it takes the center line automatically, and select OK and OK. Okay, let's make the bottom part, what the bottom part is saying. Okay, this is the bottom part. It is 20 mm in bottom. So for this I am taking again the front plane, choose a sketch and normal the drawing, draw a sketch here, assign some dimension. It is 20 mm, and I'm making this outside lines, so it is 20 mm from top and the rest is 10 mm. So by adding 20 and 10 it becomes 30. feet 30 here, and the total length is, let me see what is the total length. Okay, 105 from this back portion to the center of the circle is 105, and the rest is 30 mm radius. So I am adding 105 plus 30, it becomes 135. Okay, Control Z, double click to edit, and it is 135. Okay, it is 10 mm in thickness. So for this I am taking offset command and choose the reverse direction and choose OK. Now connect these 2 points by drawing a line here. Again these 2 points. Now my sketch is fully constrained. Exit the sketcher workbench. It is, let me see how wide it is. It is 60 mm wide. So for this I am taking extrude. It should be 60, and choose mid plane so that it can comes at the center. Okay, now the next thing is the fillet is choose the fillet because it is 30 mm round. So I am assigning 30 mm. Choose these 2 edges and apply. Okay, now I want this cylinder should touch this surface. So for this what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this extrude command again, select this face, select extrude, choose this edge. Now it is not taking, so let me see what can I do for this. This is 40 mm in height. Okay, in previous sketch we took 40 mm a plane at the height of we created a plane at the height of 40 mm, and it is 20 mm, sorry, it is 10 mm, means 50, and 50 and this, and the total height is 80, and the rest is I think 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 30 mm. Let me see, it is 20 mm. Can I edit the dimension? Okay, it is a sketch. This is boss extrude 2. Added the feature. Let's apply here, not up to next. Choose blind and apply 40. It is 40 mm, 10, 50, 50, 60, 70. So feet 70 here. Let me see. No, it is not taking. So what I'm going to do is just choose a sketch, choose the surface, and exit the sketcher workbench. Select feature. Okay, exit the sketcher workbench, choose this surface and select a sketch. Select convert entity to convert this edge into sketch. Exit. Now extrude, select up to next, and okay. Okay guys, my tutorial is completed. As you can see here, it is exactly like this one, and I guess it also have a radius of 40 outside it. So I'm taking fillet 40 here, and choose these edges. Okay, it is now completed. So you can also assign some feature color here. Now we have a different appearance here. Click and drag, you can make as you want. We have different kind of uh, appearance here. Now it is totally upon you which uh, pattern you want or which thing you want. It is diamond. Let me see, let me check others. Okay, lights, fabric, solid, glass. We have different kind of things. Metal, paint. Okay, it is looking good. So guys, I hope you like my this tutorial, and if you like, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification from our channel. So thank you guys.